Today we are going to do science experiment of foam volcano. For this we need food color, baking soda, egg white, vinegar and spoon. Now we will add baking soda. Food color. Lastly, we will add vinegar to make it burst.
Enough is this. Don't move. Aisha.
Main reactions between vinegar and baking soda. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. Vinegar is weak acid. When they mix, they undergo acid-base reaction. Egg white is mostly water and protein. It acts like natural foaming agent. The color doesn't cause foam. It just makes the color more visible and fun.
We will take a glass of water and then add some water in a glass.
Now we will add baking soda and water. And now pour in water. Now time to add vinegar in water.
The kernels dance because the chemical reaction between baking soda
And vinegar produces carbon dioxide bubbles in the water. Hello friends, today we will show magic experiment with water and turmeric, butter and vinegar. First we take a glass of water, add turmeric powder. Has become yellow. Now we will add some detergent powder. The water has changed to yellow. Red. Become yellow. It become red in acid vinegar. It become yellow.